Hey drillers, happy new year and welcome to DIYYolande. As you read from the title, I am finally putting varnish on my headboard. When I was creating the headboard, I did share that I'll either paint the headboard or I'll put varnish, and it's a year later, and after doing the makeover on my bedroom, because I felt that it was important for me to first make over my bedroom before I decide what to do with my headboard, because I didn't want the headboard to be how I decide to style my room. I just wanted to style my room the way I genuinely wanted to, and then the headboard would just be the eyelash to the bead face, and the bead face would obviously be the bedroom. You'll get me? You'll get me, right? You get me. I am finally varnishing my headboard. And before we get into this easy DIY, I want to share with you all that I finally have a vlog channel. So you guys have been loving the vlogs that I've been posting here on DIYYolande, and because I was just feeling that the channel was getting very cluttered and it was getting confusing, I then decided to open a vlog channel where I'll be doing everything vlogs, everything lifestyle, everything behind the scenes when I'm creating content. So everything will now be in that channel, and that channel is called DIYYolande Vlogs. I thought to just keep the name simple and just add vlogs at the end so that it's easy for you guys to find it. And I don't want to use my government name, that's the other reason. And the channel is a DIY channel where I teach you how to use power tools, how to update your space on a budget, because girl, the way my budget is set up, I can only update my spaces on a budget, and share with y'all affordable plugs and affordable tips that I utilize in updating my entire space. So I wanted this channel to just focus mainly on that, and then for my lifestyle, my behind the scenes, me getting my locks done, you know, all that type of thing, because you guys have been asking for lock content. So I wanted to have a different avenue for that, so that it does not deter my focus, which is what this channel is about, which is about DIYs, power tools. Please subscribe to my vlog channel. I'm posting vlogs every Sunday, and DIYs will continue to be posted every Friday. So please follow that vlog channel, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. So enough about that, let's roll the intro and let's get into this easy DIY. Here is the headboard before, and here is the headboard after. This video will be focused at how I gave my headboard a facelift, but keeping it on a budget. The shopping list and all the items that I used in this DIY will also be linked down in the description box below, and if you haven't watched the headboard video, do check it out. I've linked it down here and it's up here in the card, so when you're done watching this, go watch that video. I'm scraping out the white wood filler that I put on, so that the pine colored wood filler that I'm going to put on can seep into the wood. See, this is where I dug out the old white wood filler, and then now I'm going to replace it with the pine colored wood filler, so it'll look like this. Always ensure that you purchase wood filler that matches the color of your wood. Do not buy pine wood and then use white wood filler like I did. Do as I say, don't do as I do. The nice thing is that when I make mistakes, you guys get to learn from them, so that you do not have to repeat the very same mistakes that I have done. I'm now sanding down the wood filler after it has dried, so that I can put on my varnish. Sanding down your wood filler is a very important step, guys. Please don't ever miss this step. I'm sanding the wood down with the AEG cordless belt sander. Guys, this baby is so powerful. She has 18 volts and I'm just loving its power. A cost of everything that I am using in this DIY is listed down in the description box, so do check it out. I'm now just going to dust off any excess debris that are on the headboard, then we varnish. This is also an important step before varnishing. I used the Plascon varnish for interior in the color XX for clear. And I made one coat of the varnish. I did not want a second coat because I did not want a glossy finish with my varnish. I wanted it to be very subtle. When purchasing varnish, do ensure that you read the tin. There are exterior varnishes. These are varnishes that are used for outdoors, and then there are interior varnishes, and these are varnishes that are used indoors. After putting on your varnish, to clean your brush, use thinners. After using thinners, and then you wash your brush with water and with soap to ensure the brush bristles are clean. And here is the lovely updated headboard. It is now neat and finally varnished to match the side tables that I had created when I was doing my bedroom makeover. If you'd like to see the video of me doing the side tables, please watch the video linked down in the description box below and up here. And with me putting varnish, the natural wood tone is now more pronounced on the headboard. As you can see, it's no longer dull. It is very now pronounced, and it matches beautifully with the side table, and it makes the room feel and look more put together. So I want to share with you the 3 benefits of using varnish on your natural wood. Number 1, it prevents scratches, so it does play a level of protection onto your wood. And number 2, it improves the appearance of your wood. And number 3, which I love the most, it plays a waterproofing property. I hope you find this video useful, and if you want to work with varnish, do refer to this video. But also, if you have any questions, comment them down below. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, on TikTok, I am at DIYYolande on all my social platforms. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIYs. And don't forget, power tools have no gender. See you next time. Peace.